What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. As you can see, for those of you who don't know me, I trade the daily highs and the daily lows. I want to show you the power of this market that I've been trading. For those of you who don't know me, go and check my YouTube channel, Forex Rockstar. You see what I'm talking about. But look at this. I want you to see. You see, these trades were open 11:49. That means in less than 30 minutes, I'm already doubling my account. Somebody may say you are gambling, but they don't know that I trade simple the high and the lows of the day, and I get out of the market. I just trade the highs and the lows of the day, and I get out of the market. I don't do nothing else except that. Anything else is gambling to be support and resistance, all that stuff is gambling to me. But as soon as I find the high of the day and the low of the day, I enter the trade and get out of the market. It's that simple. It's that simple, man. So even the lot sizes, you can see that, like, it's somebody who knows what they're doing. As soon as I see that the market is at its lowest or the market is at its highest, I go all out. I go all out. I don't play games. My target is 50% of my account, especially the small accounts. So already the 50% has been met. I think it's time I sound out of these trades. I'm signing out of these trades. I'm signing out. That's it. Account doubled. Account doubled. Just like that. It was 859, it's 1,541. No struggle, no assumption. Just do what you know best. This market is still gonna go up. Still gonna go up. But then I'm happy with my target. I don't wanna be greedy. As soon as my target is met, I get out of the market. God bless you, everybody. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.